are here at the grand opening of the Big Bad Wolf. They've got a ribbon right there. See it? Behind that kid. There. Little podium here set up for the grand opening celebration. We're going to bring you along, show you what they do when they open up a brand new coaster. You know, we actually rode the ride last week. We'll share our thoughts at the end of this video. But let's open this bad boy. Here is the line, waiting for the opening of the ride. It is about 10:10. The ride opens at 10:30. Well, the ceremony's at 10:30. But for you, it'll be in about 2 seconds. Oh my gosh. The Big Bad Wolf is out here meeting and greeting people. Oh, look at him. He's dancing.
Just a few minutes ago.
There he is. The wolf. He's big and he's bad. He doesn't have the big butt like the toy, though.
Yes, on the count of 3, let's scream for the Big Bad Wolf. 1, 2, 3, scream! The Big Bad Wolf wants to see all your dances.
I'm gonna go stand over here, okay? You got it? I trust you. You can't eat anyone.
You can't trust that guy. Do you know what happened to the 3 little pigs? This Big Bad Wolf seems awfully happy. I think he just ate a bunch of villagers.
We love you.
All right, good morning, everybody. Thanks so much for being here. We are honored to have you join us today as we officially open the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge. I just want to take a moment to welcome a couple distinguished guests with us that help our community and have been such great supporters of Busch Gardens Williamsburg. With us, we have the CEO of Visit Williamsburg, Mr. Ed Harris.
Somewhere over there.
We have the Vice Chair of James City County Board of Supervisors, John McGlennon. And then our inaugural first riders, the Wolf Scouts from the Colonial Virginia Council. Those guys are gonna go up there and get ready to ride. So Big Bad Wolf, an immersive, family-friendly attraction. Riders dash across more than 2,500 feet of track, travel at speeds up to 40 miles an hour, all set in a Bavarian village. But the celebration quickly turns to chaos as glowing red eyes signal the return of the terrifying creature. As our park's 11th coaster, the Big Bad Wolf is the perfect ride for families to conquer together. When accompanied by a supervising companion, riders 42 inches tall can experience this all-new coaster. And I can just tell you from member rides last week, meeting some of the kids who rode, they are tiny. And it is so cool to watch them experience their first roller coaster. And really, that's what this attraction is all about. So last weekend, we also celebrated 50 years of Busch Gardens with a park-wide celebration. As you may know, I'm sure you do, original Big Bad Wolf, iconic part of our history, thrilling guests for over 25 years, up until 2008. And how many of you here rode the original Big Bad Wolf? Wow. That is a testament to the amazing brand and legacy of that attraction. So we look forward to paying homage to a fan favorite, welcome a new generation of thrill seekers. You know, these kids who are 42 inches, came well after, the original Big Bad Wolf, so it's amazing to see kind of a whole new generation experience this coaster. So with that, I'm going to ask Susie, who we all know, the amazing attraction designer who has been with this park for so many years through so many major attractions. So all the great coasters that you love, you can thank Susie for that. And of course, with our guests, John and Ed are going to help me with the ribbon cutting, and then we'll get you guys ready to ride. Let's go. Grab the unusual Julie Lauer's novelty scissors. All right, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, you know what I mean towards the camera?
You're all the way
Kind
up.
of working
Yes,
angles down low.
perfect. Sweet.
Ribbon cutting. Make way, make way. Yeah! Sorry.
And with that, the Big Bad Wolf is open.
Thank you so much.
We're taking a quick stop in the shop to see if there's any new merch after last week. But there is. There's a Big Bad Wolf Wolf's Revenge trucker hat. That was not here last week. Check this out. They're also selling original track pieces of the original Big Bad Wolf. Of course, I'm at the register because I'm buying one. So this is interesting. The ride just opened. They now have non-alcoholic wolf spear if the line is long. It is hazelnut with a hint of baking spices. This is wolf spear. It's not the Big Bad beer. That's pretty cool. Just a non-alcoholic beverage while you wait in line for Busch Gardens' newest roller coaster. Look at this. This wasn't here last week during member preview rides. They have this cool plaque. The full moon brings the wolf at night. Keep your doors locked up tight. Ding dong. His bite captures the souls of men until the morning brings peace again. Ding dong. Set aside your solace. There is cause for concern, for the moon will rise and the wolf will return. Ding dong. And if you're coming to ride the Big Bad Wolf, you can also try the Moon Howler Sprite beverage. It's available in the Coke Freestyle machines throughout the park, but it's a special Big Bad Wolf themed flavor. All right, peeps, that does it for us from here at the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge grand opening ceremony. We just wanted to bring you along. The line's still going behind me. Bring you along, share the opening experience. You know, it's always cool to be here, and thank you to Busch Gardens for inviting us for these events where we get to share the experience with you of what it's like to be here on the opening day of a brand new ride. It's pretty awesome. We've talked at length about the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge. We shared our POV experience with you from last week. I'm going to link that at the end of this video, so make sure to check that out. Also, if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up on this video. It really helps us out to know what type of content you like. Hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so that you are notified when we release that content. Thank you all for watching. This is the culmination of like a year's worth of videos almost, and I'm excited it's finally here. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.